Alright, hey, this is a quick Picasa web album tutorial. This is a fast way for you to learn how to organize your pictures and make the sharing and usefulness of them much more simple for you and for the parents or yearbook staff that you might interact with. We'll do this in 4 steps, and we will accomplish the impossible, which is to organize all the pictures that are taken by yourself in your classroom for the yearbook or for your grade level, and we'll put them in one spot that's actually easy to find and easy to share while still keeping them from being completely public. This does not count as a step because this is the space where we're going to be, so you got to go to picasaweb.google.com. Once you've gone there, now we can get this party started. Step number 1 is to click on Upload. If you click on Upload, you're going to be prompted to name your album. Once you name your album, you can name it your classroom, or if you want to name it by grade level, it's totally up to you. But naming your album is the last step or the last block to having your own Picasa web album, and sharing now is going to be super simple because you'll know the name. Step number 3 is you're going to upload or drag and drop into the album. So if you upload it, you've already downloaded pictures from a camera onto your computer, and you want to upload them by searching on your computer and finding them, you can do that. If you have the camera or video camera still attached, you can actually just highlight all the pictures or images and then drag them directly into this folder. And once you've dragged them into the folder, you will start to see them upload there for you. Again, super easy steps. And then step number 4 is to share the album with the parents or whoever else you want to share with. So 2 things to remember is by default your album is private. So on the right hand side you'll see something that says only you. It'll have a little picture of maybe the first picture in your album, and then it'll say only you. You're going to want to change that. So if you change that, you then are prompted to choosing either only you, public on the web, or limited anyone with the link. By putting it limited anyone with the link, it doesn't make them searchable, so no one's going to be able to Google to find your pictures if that's a concern for you. But it will allow you to link to them on your website and allow people to find them that way. So that's a quick, easy way to make them shareable. But let's say you want to be able to collaborate and have multiple people adding onto your album or into your album. To do that, you're going to actually have to click on Share. And you click on Share. Again, this is on the right-hand side, or it's also at the top, along the top. And it's going to prompt you initially to share it on Google+. So you may be using Google+, you may not. Doesn't matter, because we don't need to do it for what we're trying to accomplish here. Once you click on Share on Google+, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see something that says Share via email only. When it says Share via email only, you'll click on that, and that's going to take you to the space where you can enter in as few or as many email addresses as you want to share this album with. And then below that, you'll see a box that says Let people I share with contribute photos. So by letting them contribute, you are now crowdsourcing your photo album with all of your grade level teachers, or if you have class photographers or volunteer parents that are in there. This just makes it a nice way to accomplish what for many is a real annoyance and difficulty, and that is kind of collecting and curating all of the pictures from your classroom into one space. This makes it super simple, super easy using a tool that we're already playing with and getting more comfortable with.